Hi guys, it's Miss Ashley from the Perryville Branch Library. Today we're going to do a science experiment with ice. So this is something that you're going to have to prep for because you're going to want to freeze the ice, and you're going to need food coloring and water for that in an ice cube tray or something, a bowl, small bowl. I use an ice cube tray that has circles, so that's why my ice looks like that. But all you need to do is add some water. You'll need 6 cubes of ice and add red, blue, and yellow food coloring, so 2 of each color. And then you are going to go ahead and freeze that overnight, and then you'll be ready for it for your experiment in the morning. What you're going to also need are 3 glass cups, or they could be even plastic cups, just something that you could see through so you can see the experiment happening. So I have my ice in my cups already made. I have red and yellow, blue and yellow, and blue and red. So we're gonna see what happens when the ice mixes, what colors they make. You guys can make your own predictions to see what you think is going to happen. If you want the process to go a little bit quicker, you can add some water. I'm just gonna go ahead and use just regular ice just to see how it goes. You can also do different experiments with this. If you want, you can try adding salts to it to see if it makes the ice quicker. Ice melt quicker. You can try sand. You can do lots of other experiments with this if you want to try. That's something you guys could make like a tally sheet for, or a table, and you can see what melts the ice quickest and what colors the ice will turn into. So I'm going to go ahead and let this go and see. I will come back to the video to see what colors the ice turns into water. They're starting to melt. Wonder what colors they're gonna be. All right, I just want to show you guys something. So I think that these 2 glasses are melting quicker than the smaller one. Why do you guys think that's happening? My prediction is that bigger glasses don't hold the cold in as well as the smaller one. So I think that might be why the smaller one's ice is a little bit bigger still and hasn't melted as much. What do you guys think? All right, the ice is melted. You can see the yellow and red made orange, the yellow and blue made green, and the red and blue, you can't really tell, but it is purple. I did go ahead and grab a paper towel so we could dip it in so you can see. I maybe used a little too much food coloring. It's purple. There's a little bit of blue in there, but we did it. Here's our green. And orange. There we go, guys. Make sure you guys do your experiments and let us know how you did it in the comments. If you added any other substances like the salt or water or anything like that, if you did different colors, let us know. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye.